Yeah, that sounds different for sure.
Here, let me open up a new toothpaste.
Got that crisp toothpaste.
Mm-hmm.
Crisp. Crisp toothpaste. Not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored. Come, focus on me, bro.
I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
How's that?
Perfect. Appreciate it. Agua. Okay, so today I'm gonna go. Okay, we're in the whip. It's so small. look how big the camera is in here.
Takes up like half the space.
Dead ass. Okay, so we're on our way to an auto parts store. We have to go get gaskets later. We got the gaskets. We just got to pick up the boy Anthony, and then we'll be on our way back home to install it.
Yay!
Woo woo!
An Olive Garden.
And Olive Garden.
Hopefully.
Yeah, really get in there. Show them how hard this shit is. Let's see. It's just this one.
Oh, it's the white one? I thought you were taking out the black one.
Black one's out.
Oh, so it's two.
Yeah.
Okay. It's out.
Yep. Those two are out. And that line we don't have to worry about. There's
You
only
gotta
one
worry
more
about it?
clip.
Okay.
This
All
clip right here.
What about
You mind if I get the?
yeah. You want me to use the flashlight?
Yeah, if you can.
I don't know what you're pointing
Just like,
at though.
just point like right here. Kind of like, you see where my finger's at?
Oh, way the fuck down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's like a metal one, isn't it?
Nah, this one's plastic too. It's like the other one.
Oh. I think that one came out nice.
Yeah. It's all good.
Okay. So
And
that's
then
all of them?
let's make sure that this other one,
Mm-hmm.
the first one we pulled off,
Yeah.
it's completely off.
Well, here, look, you could retrace it, like follow it. Here, I'll swing it around.
But
and
it
you
gets
kinda see-
under there. Like I can't see the wire.
Do you want to go into the car and like see it?
I have to take the plate off, so I can start taking the plate off.
Oh, that silver thing right there.
Yeah, the skid plate.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's on there pretty tight. But the impact driver got it.
Hey, well, it came out in one piece. Oh no, it didn't.
Is there any way to save it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're good, bro. I understand that them bitches is like one-time use, but I try to make them like 12-time use. Okay. Well, it wasn't recording.
Oh, was it?
No, I could update them. Hi, I'm below my car. This is the stock headers. We got 5 out of 6 bolts off from the actual header. We're gonna disconnect it from the catalytic converter right now. Right? Yeah, that's what it connects to. Should be the cats.
This shit.
I think so.
Something with your fucking exhaust.
Something that connects to something, we're working on it. So we're gonna get it out soon, and then the unequal length Tomei headers are going to be installed. We're gonna state ref your car after this, so you have to do it all over again. Come on.
It's not hard to do this. It's just you need the right tools and you know there's a lot of bolts. A lot of bolts.
I know there's a bunch of shit falling on me too. Cause it's not. I can't get it by hand yet. It's still fucking. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's those two. You want to put those by your beer, or where the other two are?
Yeah, what are these?
Those are the fucking
flanges.
yeah, the fucking header two.
Okay. Well, they have different colors, so that's how we'll see them.
All right, so it's just that last bolt.
It's one bolt, and then the whole thing comes down.
Yeah, so
let me go under there with you. You go on that side.
Go on
I
that
go
side.
this
Yeah.
side.
All right.
I think we need a fucking longer screwdriver.
Ow, fuck. Oh, my arm is cramping.
No.
Ow. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, it fucking tensed up. Jesus Christ.
That's good, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try to pull down on yours.
Pull,
Maybe I
yeah.
should keep this here.
Pull down, what do you mean by that?
Like, drop it?
I can't even pull anymore. It's like fucking wedged in a weird way. Oh! That bitch is out, dog. I just got a fucking big ass piece of shit in my eye.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, I got you.
Fucking the carbon of the shit is in my eye.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna close my eye.
Alright.
With one eye.
Oh, my fucking arm! Ow! Okay.
Dude, this bitch is off though, dog. It just wants to come off. Oh, it's off. Alright, I got it.
Let's fucking go!
I got it. Got the camera. It's all together.
Perfect.
Woo! That was a mission and a half, ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it was.
Holy fuck. Okay.
Yours are out.
Oh yeah. You good after that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I fucking hit my head on that fucking thing.
It like it's cracking too. He was so excited. He hit his head on the. Dude, that's just gotta hurt though.
It actually doesn't. It doesn't hurt. I don't know why.
Okay.
Now
we take these out.
Yeah, we have to get the right sized wrench.
Oh, it's not gonna let it spin actually. I just realized that. Here we go.
Ow!
That hurt?
You hit my calf.
I'm sorry, man. This shit, it's like so like lopsided. One side's heavier than the other side.
Right.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, I need it pointed in this way first.
I'm gonna go on your side. I mean on the other this side over here, okay?
Yep.
So you could. I'll hold that weight. Oh fuck. Okay. Let's go. Let's go under there. Ow, fuck. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I got this side.
Perfect. Alright, I need to go this way.
I wish I got a light, huh?
I'm good.
I am not good. Remember the O2 sensors are over here?
Yeah.
I think I need to put my side in first.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna pull mine out.
Yeah, that's fine. You see a wire wiggling over here?
Yeah.
Can you reach in and grab it? Don't worry, nothing's gonna happen.
Don't tug on it. Yes,
Yeah,
perfect.
Just hold it in.
He's
there.
gonna pass you another.
Yeah, hold on. This one's gonna come in through like another hole though. Oh fuck. Do you see this one?
Yeah.
Grab that one. Okay, now slowly pull on them. Slowly. All right, Vinny. That's our cue to start going up.
Yes, sir. I'm ready when you are. Don't tug. Just have some droop.
Yeah, hold them in place there. You know.
I'm in.
I'm in on my side too.
Okay. Let me grab a bolt.
Oh shit! Is this gonna align, dog?
Yeah, because we could push it up.
Oh, this thing? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Should have never done that. But okay. We're
1
perfect.
second, gorgeous.
Yeah, just hold them there. Make sure they don't fall on us.
Okay.
Here's some bolts.
Okay.
Oh, I'm putting 2.
I can't see shit. I can't even reach in there, dog.
No?
Oh, I got it. Fuck.
I got you.
Hold up. I gotta grab it like this.
Oh, this shit's gonna be so dope! Let's go.
Alright. Spin, bitch, spin.
I hope this makes you want to fucking get your car back. God.
It's not on there tight, but it's
Yeah,
on.
I literally hand tightened it. It's
Let me
not.
see that one real
Yeah.
quick? Fuck.
I need more.
Oh,
on
you
my
need more
side.
play?
Yeah.
Okay.
There. Hook it up
We
to
could put
there
these two, yeah.
first.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
I don't want to touch that because that's just got a lot of fucking shit coming out of it. Give me the 2 old ass fucking things.
Right here.
Wait, but there were some like screws here, weren't there? Or was that a part of the old headers?
You're right. 1 second.
I think we need to take them off of the old headers and bring them over here. You know which ones I'm talking about, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold up. I'm gonna plug in the O2 sensors real quick.
Okay.
It was black left, gray right.
I don't fucking know, honestly.
Oh, I think they're color coordinated. Okay, gotta get the gasket. Okay. Alright, bro. You
What
wanna
do you
pass me
need?
those bolts?
Oh shit.
You're good.
Let's put them right here, actually.
Yeah, you're good.
Do you need those? No, just a bolt, right?
Just a bolt for right now.
Or.
Just a bolt, because I'm gonna put it through right here. Make sure the gasket gets on.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Okay. What's the other bolt? Watch your head. You got some nuts on your head.
Hey, yo! Oh, I lost the other bolt.
What was that?
The bolt.
Oh, the nut that fell?
Oh, yeah, the nut. He's bad.
That shit's not. It's like, look, you see, it's not. It's not gonna be able to turn. You wanna try it? It's not.
We're still underneath my car. I picked up this bad boy. Swivel, little ding dong, walla walla bing bang. To get that stupid fucking bolt. Who the fuck did that? Let's do it. God damn it.
Work?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, we're on.
Thankfully, the metric system didn't screw so.
We're fucking on! Ugh. Should I start it? I'm about to start this bitch.
You wanna start it?
I'm gonna start it right fucking now. Jack, everything, hood up. I don't give a fuck. See how this sounds.
Oops.
Ready?
That? Yeah. Okay.
That sounds really good.
This sounds a little more tame, Loki. This sounds tame, but you can hear the rumble. And I don't hear that much drone, or I don't feel that much, because you should feel it, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I love it. I fucking love it.
What about those downshifts? How do those sound? How do they feel?
Amazing. Only if I knew how to like properly do it. Yeah.
I don't know about you, bro, but this car sounds more tamed, more dialed, more, what's the word I'm looking for?
I feel like it was
here?
rowdy before.
Yeah, I feel like it needed like something to like limit its throatiness, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, look, they're working on a Mustang out here. Drift stang.
That shit's cambered, bro. Shit's so low.
See, like, look, it's so quiet here. Is it usually that quiet?
Actually, no.
I think we made it a little more quiet. And I don't know about you, but I don't hear that much drone.
Final thoughts. I love this fucking car, and I always love titties.
Yeah. I do too.
Got a little close there, huh?
Yeah.
That's going in the video.
I know it is. Yeah, I can see that shit like dilating.
Focusing and shit.
Yeah, it's like an eyeball. It's crazy. I want to see. No, I can see. It's kind of dark.
It is, huh?
Yeah, that sounds different for sure. You can hear the fucking rumble. Oh yeah, 500 miles, it's gonna be a whole new car. Yeah,
How'd it sound?
it sounds different.
Alright, so I did not record a proper outro for this video, so here it is. I did end up going to Olive Garden. We took the BRZ, broke into those headers. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see y'all sexy asses in the next one. Peace!